Artificial intelligence is powerful, but have you ever wondered what could go wrong? Can AI make wrong decisions? Can it be misused? And most importantly, who is responsible when AI makes a mistake? Welcome back to our AI learning series. So far, we have learned what AI is, how it works, its types, its real world applications, the difference between AI and machine learning, and even deep learning. But today, we will discuss something very important: the risks and ethical concerns of AI. Because every powerful technology comes with responsibility, and AI is no exception. First, let us talk about bias. AI learns from data. If the data is biased or incomplete, AI can make unfair decisions. For example, in hiring systems or loan approvals, AI might treat some people unfairly based on biased data. Another concern is job loss. As AI becomes more advanced, many repetitive jobs can be automated. This does not mean all jobs will disappear, but it does mean people must learn new skills to adapt. Next is privacy. AI systems collect and analyze huge amounts of data. If data is not handled properly, people's personal information can be at risk. AI can also be misused. For example, fake videos, false information, or cyber attacks can be created using AI. This makes it hard to know what is real and what is not. Another important issue is control. If AI systems become too powerful and humans rely on them too much, we may lose control over decisions. That is why human supervision is always necessary. So the question is, who is responsible? The answer is simple: humans, developers, companies, and governments must ensure that AI is used responsibly, fairly, and safely. But remember, AI itself is not good or bad. It depends on how humans use it. So today we learn AI can have risks like bias, job loss, privacy issues, misuse, and lack of control. But with proper rules and responsibility, these risks can be managed. In the next video, we will explore the future of artificial intelligence and how it may change our world. So, stay connected and continue learning AI in the simplest way. Technology becomes dangerous only when wisdom is missing. So, let us learn and use it wisely.